Germany. The currency of Germany is Euro. India. The currency of India is Rupee. China. The currency of China is Chinese yuan. Pakistan. The currency of Pakistan is Pakistani rupee. Ukraine. The currency of Ukraine is Ukrainian hryvnia. Japan. The currency of Japan is Japanese yen. United Kingdom. The currency of United Kingdom is pound sterling. European Union. The currency of European Union is euro. Australia. The currency of Australia is Australian dollar. Russia. The currency of Russia is Russian ruble. Brazil. The currency of Brazil is Brazilian real. South Africa. The currency of South Africa is South African rand. Saudi Arabia. The currency of Saudi Arabia is Saudi Riyal, SAR. UAE. The currency of UAE is United Arab Emirates dirham. Switzerland. The currency of Switzerland is Swiss franc. Mexico. The currency of Mexico is Mexican peso. Singapore. The currency of Singapore is Singapore dollar. South Korea. The currency of South Korea is South Korean won. Turkey. The currency of Turkey is Turkish lira. Thailand. The currency of Thailand is Thai baht. Bangladesh. The currency of Bangladesh is Bangladeshi taka. Sri Lanka. The currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan Rupee, LKR. Indonesia. The currency of Indonesia is Indonesian Rupiah, IDR. Malaysia. The currency of Malaysia is Malaysian Ringgit, MYR. Afghanistan. The currency of Afghanistan is Afghan Afghani, AFN. Austria. The currency of Austria is euro. Colombia. The currency of Colombia is Colombian peso, COP. Denmark. The currency of Denmark is Danish krone, DKK. Egypt. The currency of Egypt is Egyptian pound, EGP. Hungary. The currency of Hungary is Hungarian forint, HUF. Iran. The currency of Iran is Iranian rial, IRR. Iraq. The currency of Iraq is Iraqi dinar, IQD. Israel. The currency of Israel is Israeli new shekel, ILS. Jordan. The currency of Jordan is Jordanian dinar, JOD. Kuwait. The currency of Kuwait is Kuwaiti dinar, KWD.
And to watch more learning videos, subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and visit our channel to watch more videos and learn. Please subscribe to the channel.